As artists, we often hold ourselves to incredibly high standards and expect perfection from our work. It's natural to want to create something that meets our expectations and that we can be proud of. However, this drive for perfection can often lead to self-doubt and a dislike for our own creations. One reason why many artists hate their own work is because they compare themselves to other successful artists. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing your work to that of others, especially when you see their success and recognition. This comparison can lead to feelings of inadequacy and a belief that your own work is not good enough. It's important to remember that every artist is unique and has their own style and voice. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that there is a certain standard of excellence that must be met, but the truth is that art is subjective, and what one person may see as flawed, another may see as beautiful and inspiring. Another reason why artists may hate their own work is because they set incredibly high standards for themselves. They may feel pressure to constantly improve and create something even better than their previous work, leading to a never-ending cycle of self-criticism. It's important to remember that progress and improvement take time, and that it's okay to have setbacks and moments of self-doubt. Art is also deeply personal and often reflects the artist's emotions and experiences. This means that an artist may have a strong emotional attachment to their work, which can make it difficult for them to be objective about its quality. They may see flaws that others don't and feel frustrated or disappointed by their own creations. It's important for artists to find a balance between being critical of their work and being too hard on themselves. It's also common for artists to experience creative blocks or artistic blocks, where they struggle to come up with new ideas or feel like they are unable to create something that meets their own standards. This can lead to a lack of confidence in their work and a dislike for what they produce. It's important to remember that creativity is a muscle that needs to be exercised, and that it's okay to take breaks and rest when needed. Ultimately, it's important for artists to remember that creating art is a journey, and it's normal to have ups and downs. It's okay to be critical of your own work, but it's also important to find a balance and be proud of what you've created. It's important to recognize the importance of hard work and the effort that goes into making art, even if it's not perfect. Being an artist is not easy, and it's natural to have moments of self-doubt and frustration. However, it's important to remember that every artist has their own unique style and voice, and that it takes time to continually see that through to the final result of the art that you want to make. With patience and persistence, you can find satisfaction and take pride in your work as an artist. As artists, we have this individual journey that we go on by ourselves a lot of the time, but remember to seek support and guidance from others, whether it be through a community or fellow artist, or a mentor or teacher. Receiving constructive feedback and support can help artists grow and improve, while also boosting your confidence and appreciation for where you are and where you want to go. Whether it's further developing your art style or trying a new color palette, working on a landscape additional to your character, or trying to hone in on those facial features by doing a portrait in realistic detail. All of these things are an opportunity to find creative solutions. The more you realize that being an artist is not about avoiding the difficulty of different roadblocks that you may experience in your creative process, it's about finding creative solutions that allow you to move past those and create the things that are within your mind and heart, that are connected to the emotions you want to express in your work, and ultimately allowing you to tell compelling stories with your work.